Welcome back to the channel. Here's another quick review. Found this camera on Amazon. Not quite sure how it's going to hold up, but figured it was interesting because it plugs into a standard light socket. Works off Wi-Fi. This is the LaView. It's supposed to have 2K for resolution. It says there's cloud storage. This is going to be a quick unboxing. Let's see what we got. So opening up the package, standard, looks like instruction guide, quick start guide, the types of important notice, how to connect it using the app, what kind of fixture it can go into. Looks like it comes with an extension bracket. Actually, this is so you can plug it into the wall, probably for the setup. And the camera itself, kind of large, but I expected that. I'm going to be testing this outdoors. Hopefully it's good. So I was right. It is an adapter, so you can plug it in so you can get it all set up. That's what the camera looks like. It does have a mic on the back. There's also a QR code on the back side. I guess that's what helps it pair with the app itself. I'm going to get it set up in the app real quick, and then we'll test it out and see how it looks. Into the Play Store, we have the LaView app. Overall, it's got 1,000 reviews, 3.1 stars, which is decent. The camera itself was about 30 bucks on Amazon, so I'm not expecting much from it. Open it up. So you got your standard agreement. You can sign up or log in. After you go through the sign up process, you come to this screen, data analysis. If I want notifications. And then you're greeted with how to add a device. So it turns out that it's not going to fit the fixture that I want to use. So I'm going to need to get an extension for the bulb itself. Guess we'll have to wait. I ordered one from Amazon. We'll see if it works. Stay tuned. So as mentioned before, this would not fit in this. So I looked on Amazon, got a couple extensions, gonna try it out, see if it works, and then we'll test and see what the quality of the camera looks like. So I took about 2 of those extensions, 2 out of 3. It does work. It did power on. This is what it looks like. If you're interested, I'll leave links in the description below, also for the extensions in case you need it. Now let's take a look at how the video looks. So as you can see, it doesn't look too bad. Recording The image isn't bad at all in the sun. Pardon how the backyard looks right now. But overall, not bad. I'll probably run this for a couple weeks, see how well it holds up, and if anything, I'll report back if I have any issues. Thanks for watching.